been down some broken highways, left some pieces in the dust. Got a map full of mistakes and a tank full of stubborn love. Yeah, these wheels been turning steady, even when the nights got rough. I might be a little battered, but I'm more than tough enough. I got a soul like a road, it's been cracked, it's been cold, carries dreams and gasoline, and a heart too wild to hold. You can ride it, you can leave it, but it'll still be rolling free. Yeah, I got a soul like a road, and it's built for folks like me.